Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and remove the mid frame by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening and separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to separate the plastic clips. While you are taking out the frame, be gentle, the fingerprint flex is connected to the mid frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid frame from the body, and also disconnect the battery plug. Next, on the logic board, take out all 4 rear cameras and the front camera. Replace the required broken camera with a new unit and place it on the logic board. Make sure the connections are secured. Next, connect the fingerprint and battery plug, and then secure the mid frame by adding 16 screws and the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.